Solution. Step I. When the 5V source is acting alone, figure 3.71. From the figure, Vx equals 5, 10I1. Applying KVL to the mesh. 5, 10I1. 4Vx. 2I1. Equals 0. 5, 10I1. 4, 5, 10I1. 2I1. Equals 0. 5, 10I1. 20 plus 40I1. 2I1. Equals 0. I1. 15. 28 0 equals 1 equals 0. 554. Step 2. When the 2A source is acting alone, figure 3.72. From Fig. 3.72. VIXVV 101 foot, I. Meshes 1 and 2 will form a supermesh. Writing current equation for the supermesh. I21I2 equals I12 foot, 2. Applying KVL to the outer path of the supermesh. Minus equals. 10 4 2 0. 10 2 minus 0. 1 2 2 minus. 1 2. I4 1 minus 4I. I4 1 minus 4I. X. 44, 10101 minus 0 1010. 32 0122 I2121, 3. Solving X, 2, and 3. I. 1. 2. 0. 214. Equals 0. Equals. 114. A. Step 3 by superposition theorem. I111,054,014 0 plus I12 equals 0 54 equals 0 I plus 54 0 54. 6,868.